All right, welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. Thank you once again for subscribing and thank you for following. Thank you for learning together with me. Yes, today I want to share also something very, very amazing with you guys today. That is Wondershare UniConverter. This program, it's really handy, very useful for creators and anyone that edits videos and does maybe some basic video image editing. Yes, as you can see, let's get started right away. We are going to walk through it very fast. So this is one of the latest versions of Wondershare UniConverter from Wondershare, and it has these features. It has video features. Under video features, you can, let's say, ban a DVD file. We don't need this. You can merge files, different videos together. You can do some basic video editing. You can cut some videos, and as you can see. So today I want to look at just some major things, important ones. For example, it has this screen recorder. Let's say if I want to use this software to record the YouTube video that I'm making, I can use the Wondershare UniConverter to record my screen also. Okay, I can compress video. I'm interested also in this compressor, or reduce the video size without actually losing the quality of your video. Then, like I showed you earlier, you can edit the video. So you're going to walk through them very fast, and then you see how they work. So let me kick straight to the compressor. I'm going to click on this the compressor tool. Like you can see, they're asking us to drop our video files here, and that we shall compress. So let me pick very fast from my files. I'll go to add files, and let me check where I have some files. Yeah, let me get this move on. I want to get a bigger file. This is about let me get this file. It's about 1.2 GBs. So we are going to compress it to a smaller file without actually reducing our quality. Now, like you can see, this is the original file, and the size is this 1728 times 720, and this is the original file size, 1.22 GB, and it's going to be compressed to the same video size and quality, and then it will go to let's say 800 MBs, close to over 300 MBs that has been cut. You can compress further if you want to do that. You click on the resize over here, and then you resize further, you compress further by dragging this over here. As you can see, as you drag, the file size also keeps reducing, and by the 50% compression is also not bad. If you want to see the preview of your video and also select the format that you want your video to be, you just click here, then select the format. You want an MP4, AVI, whatever format that you like, you select it right here. Now let's quickly look at the preview. Our video is going to be compressed 50%. That is from 1.2 GBs to 600 MBs. Let's look at that. When you click on preview, it's going to quickly generate for you the preview of the expected video quality, so you can easily see that the quality will not change. You see that? You continue watching, you'll watch your video with a very good quality, but yet it has been compressed to half. All right, that's it about the compressing. Of course, when you're done, you just click on compress, and very fast your video will be compressed. Yes, that's it. Now let's look at another tool, that is the downloader. That was the compressor. Let's look at the downloader. You can download actually videos from different from YouTube. You can download playlist. You can download from what you just copy the link and then paste it into the downloader. It will, your videos will be downloaded. Yes, you copy the URL here from YouTube or any other maybe streaming channel, and then you click on download. You'll be able to download the video at the same time, even convert it if you like. All right, next is if you want to convert your video to different format, MP3, whatever, MP4, you also go to the converter tool in Wondershare UniConverter and add the file. And just pick this file as well. All right, you can convert to any format, to MP4, to MP3. These are the different file formats that you can select and convert your video. Yes, as easy as that. When done making your selections, you just press the convert button and everything will be converted properly. Okay, let's roll back to the home and briefly look at some other tools. Of course, some of them they updated some AI tools here. For example, the speech to text. You can add an audio file and then they generate for you the text from the audio file. You can automatically edit subtitle. Actually, you can even remove how do you call that, watermarks from videos. Yes, from these tools. All right, and that's it for today for Wondershare UniConverter. I will share with you the link if you want to get the software. Maybe you can share. I will share through my email to you. Then you can have the software as well. You can get it from its official website, that is Wondershare UniConverter. Yes, thank you so much for following, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're here for the first time and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.